Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So this is an example video. We're going to do this question. So we have 4 points on the circumference, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the circumference. We've got the center here and then a diameter. So this is a diameter. Okay, so I have 28, so 28 is here. So before we even do this question, you can see that this question has a center of the circle. If you look at our list of properties, you can see that these two properties has no center. Right, so it cannot be these two, unlikely. These two have, this one also have. Okay, so which one are we using? We could be using everything, right? I'm not sure. But just by looking at the diagram and using some common sense, now it's pretty obvious that it's going to be this, right? You can also see that this and this is pretty close. So just by looking at the question, you know that it's going to be that property. And we are looking out for that one. So, I need to find this angle, right? So it's SOR is here. So again, you can see that this is from S and R, it goes to the center, and from S and R again, it goes to the circumference. So that will be the property we're talking about just now. Angle at center equal to angle at circumference. So this 28 and this angle is double of each other. So this is the bigger one. It's common sense, right? The nearer one is bigger. So it's just 28 times 2, 56, done. Okay, the next one is a bit harder. So it's PQR. So that will be this one, this angle, right? So PQR, yes. So this is actually the same property. You can see that the answer here is the same property. But like where, how, it's not very obvious. So this is what we call a difficult question. So you can see that in these 4 pictures, they are all using the same property. Now this is the weirdest looking one because this 2 theta and this theta is the one that's double. No, usually it's the one that's inside the smaller one and this one, right? But when we sort of reversed it, we're looking at the big one and the one over here. So if you look at the diagram, let me just turn this a little bit. You can see that these two is the same, right? From the center, I have 2 corners at the circumference, 2 corners at the circumference, and I have 1 more at the circumference again. So it's like it forms a little box. See, it forms a little box like that. Okay, so this is quite tricky because the difficult questions will always play on this. So once you realize this, you know that this angle and this angle, so let me draw this. This dotted angle, the big one, and this one is double of each other. So the question is, how do we find this dotted one? And it said that it's a diameter, right? So diameter means this one is straight line. So this one is 180. Then plus a little bit of the one we just found. So that's why my working is 180 plus 56, which is the previous answer, to get 236. So this dotted angle here is 236. And hence, this one is divided by 2. So that's why I took 236 divided by 2, 118. And the reason is the same reason. Okay, so hope you learned something. Thank you and bye-bye.